Three here?
Yeah.
There's my card.
They suck in, but I have me winning right now. That's all I'm going to take care of now.
You want me to get? He wants me to get high.
Oh, okay. Oh, no, yeah.
You're ready for that? Yeah, you're good.
Okay, I was like,
You've been
oh,
good.
it's good. My bad. Tap.
Activate the phone.
Reject my tap. Okay. Tap.
Take $4.
Bear's like, Jesus fucking Christ.
No, I'm actually enjoying this.
Don't fuck yourself.
When Scott? It says save your money.
Don't fuck yourself.
Go ahead.
I didn't want to shoot too.
Yeah, I know. No, I was like, it's really not gonna matter. I have to hit a decent card.
The fresh set?
Ooh, wow.
You can't beat it, you know? No. Gay is red.
Oh my god. This nigga's going hard.
Hey, Uncle Gary.
That's why I'm getting out of this stupid game.
This can't count. This game is fucking going hard in the paint.
Yeah, we decided to play a real game.
Yeah. We decided to think for once in Yu-Gi-Oh!
What's that?
Hi, don't you know me no
I remember you.
Remember you moved me?
Yeah, I remember.
How you doing?
Pretty
How's your
good.
girl?
Activate the phone.
Single.
Huh?
Single.
Oh. Okay.
Gary. No, I'm talking about 40,000.
Battery. Battery is at 20%.
That's still good.
Alright.
You can make
You have me at 71, correct?
Yeah, I missed. I didn't have
first it's
Oh, wait. No, wait. So, no, wait, never mind. I had an extra 1,000 when I negated, so I'm at 61, right?
Yes, that's
alright,
right.
My
To my
bad.
57, correct?
Yes, I'm 47.
I don't remember taking it direct. My last hit was 11.
Alright, my bad. I'm up.
And the last Reaper hit got negated too.
Okay, that's true.
Oh.
Someone go.
Yeah. Is that one card in here?
Yes.
one of y'all claim victory. I really don't care. Oh, claim victory. I should say I win.
Look at that.
Oh, chicken.
Yep.
I rushed my deck back here. Should have signed it for the main deck before we complete. What'd you play? Oh, you're videotaping. Damn, game 3? 23 minutes? Holy shit. Hope my phone don't die.
It's a 20%, dude.
It'll be alright. As long as I hurry up.
Oh, sweet. I didn't even see that.
Wait till you move.
It's fine.
Yeah.
All rares, Justin. I'm sure I'll have the same luck. There's 2 out of 4 or 5. Three out of 5.
Oh, he's in defense. He negates 1 for 22.
Actually, I'm gonna put him in.
You gonna put him in?
Might as well be a rare.
You still thinking?
Yep. This is a pretty terrible pack.
He's just trying to get a free quarter.
Yep.
That's funny. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That is anything from the prize. I got merchandise. I got some merchandise. I have other things. Let's see what you get.
Hell yeah, I'm gonna walk.
Good. Good.
Attack for 14?
Yep. So,
47 to
does this
57?
activate on my turn then? Or your turn?
It's good. It's good now.
Okay, it's good. Okay.
Pass it. 47,
I don't think it's in there.
I may have to speed it up a little so my phone don't die.
Five.
Goomba.
Yep. Okay, you have 4.
Yep.
Go ahead.
You win already? I split. I didn't feel like playing.
I'm still thinking on this one.
That's cool.
On this on the rules.
That's it.
Yeah.
It's all rares.
I'll play some for cards on camera.
Yeah.
That rat is going ham, so.
No, it's the first turn. It's the first turn rabbit still.
not nice.
Dodgeball.
Have the same color.
TV should do this. So I always wonder why it doesn't make it.
I no longer care.
You should sit closer. You can't see really what they have.
You kind of can.
Not you sit back here. All you saw was really the card.
Oh.
No, I could see the colors from here. Maybe from where you were sitting, you could see
Same
it
thing
there.
about I'm really picky when it
You
comes
have
to
me
that.
at 47.
I do graphic design, so like ball cameras.
Oh, that's
and stuff.
why.
I'm
Okay.
very picky when it comes to that.
One second. On his ability.
This game's been going on for 30 minutes. Wow, this game's 30 minutes long.
I know. It's 23 when I walked over originally.
You sure as hell put it on phone. Go on YouTube.
Yeah.
Almost
That was my iPhone was doing the past 7 minutes.
One card.
Yes.
That's cool. Yeah.
Response to that.
Uh-oh. That's not good enough. No.
Matt was building back there. So probably
There's a lot in there. You better not fuck up this game.
What do you mean, fuck it up?
Like, you know, flinch, you know.
What do you mean,
Camera,
flinch?
move the camera.
I've been moving the camera all, man. I'm the one holding the camera for 30 minutes. Shut the fuck up.
You're a trooper.
Right? You should be grateful.
I am. I'm happy. I can't wait to see this game. on
Usually
my-
people want to switch cameraman.
I'm fine. As long as I'm sitting.
I'm the man in inquiry.
I want to hurry that shit up. My phone's gonna die. It's at
It is?
10%, yeah.
It's that type of match.
Something?
It's so intense your camera can't even handle it.
It's over
The camera
9,000.
takes up a lot.
1350? So you're.
Ah,
Game. There you go.
that's game.
You game card.